front of me is Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. Then tap on Autofill with Google, and Passwords. So click. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. In order to make them visible, click on this gear next to Password Manager. Make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is on and log in to one of your accounts. This way, your password will appear here. Remember to select Add in Google pop-up. If all of those options are visible, tap on this plus next to search bar to add a password from here. Then enter all of those data. You can input your website password or tap on Select App and click on one of the available ones. In my case, maybe Booking. Now enter your username or email and add a password. You can even take some notes at the bottom. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, hit save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!